Hi, it's Scott Harris from Brown Hair Stevens, and I am delighted to be showing you our listing at 325 Riverside Drive. This is apartment number 24. So we're going to take you from the lobby and we'll show you all the way up through the apartment. This is a fully renovated unit. We sold this to the sellers and they used it as a pied-à-terre, so it's been very, very lightly used. You'll see it's been fully renovated from top to bottom, and look forward to showing to you. So here we go. We're going to go right into the through the freshly painted door into the entry. You'll be able to see all of the new moldings, new closet doors. The apartment's been freshly painted and it's ready for a new homeowner. New electrical panel, everything is new. We're going to go into, you can see the hardwood floors. We're going into the large living room. You can see the border pattern on the hardwood floors. You can see that they've done a nice diagonal hardwood as well. Looking into to the east here, you can see that they're nice new windows. Everything is very attractive. The nicest views in the apartment are from the bedrooms. You get a really good sense of the scale of this room, which is quite large. We have images online of what it looks like furnished. I think that's sometimes helpful for people to visualize. We're going to skip the kitchen and go into the bedrooms. Again, if this is a little too slow moving for you, we're getting accustomed to what a virtual tour should be for buyers. But we hope that in doing it this way, you get a really good sense of the space. Now, we sold unit 114, which is the same exact apartment compared to this. We sold this on the 11th floor for over $1.2 million, actually close to $1.25 million. The listing price for this unit was reduced actually prior to the quarantine from $995 to $935. So it does not take a Nobel laureate math person to see the value when you compare it to unit 114. A couple of other things. The apartment gets a ton of sun in the morning, even in the living room. It's something that a virtual tour does not always convey. Additionally, we have the windows with all the window treatments pulled up, but the apartment comes with all of the wood blinds throughout the apartment, which are quite nice. Some other additions you want to consider as we walk through the apartment. Through the wall air condition can be done with board approval because we're on the back of the building and are less constrained by landmarks. Additionally, as you look at the layout, if you are considering any changes, which may not be something you're considering, but if you are, the wall between the bedroom that faces east and south, which is the first bedroom we viewed, that wall between the east bedroom and the living room can be opened up to create a flexible space and to bring more sun into the living room. And at this price, at $935, you can start to compare it favorably to some one-bedrooms that are on the market. This is 1,000 square feet. So if you're looking for a large one-bedroom apartment with an office, it starts to get pretty exciting. Additionally, this building is pet-friendly and only one flight of stairs, which is a really large, comfortable staircase. I live on the second floor, and I have lived on the second floor. In the last 2 apartments that I've lived in, I can tell you that there is something wonderful about being able to come up and down the stairs if you're in a rush, if you forgot your phone, if you needed to grab something, or you simply wanted to avoid the elevator these days. A lot of people don't like to wait for elevators. However, again, just to remind you, we have 2 elevators in the building that are both functional and operated without an elevator man, 4 apartments per floor, and 325 Riverside is an extraordinarily tight-knit community on 105th Street in Riverside, in really what is one of the sweetest locations along Riverside. And we're about to go into the kitchen. Everybody loves the kitchen. When you come into the kitchen here, no, we're not into the kitchen yet. We're taking another look at the living room. When you come to the kitchen, directly on the left, in the closet, just on the left, the big double closet, that is the washer dryer. Just so you know, very attractive. There are photographs of it on our listing. Granite counters, shaker cabinets, Viking appliances, service door right there. If you don't want the service door fully accessible 24/7, you can do some kind of rolling rack, or you can do an eat-in area there. Might be nice for more casual eating. Although right outside the kitchen door, you have a great space too. But this is a very big kitchen for an apartment this size. I've sold many apartments, bigger, 3, 4, 5 bedroom apartments that have a smaller kitchen than this, so something to be valued and appreciated. One last look at our gorgeous kitchen. Gee, Scott, I love this kitchen. When can we move in? I'm glad you asked. It's very nice board, easy board approval process. Live in super, full-time doorman. Great community. These sellers are very happy here. They enjoyed using this apartment and they're ready for what's next for them. This might be right for you or for your clients. Look forward to talking to you more. Thank you.